Hello, I'm Kathleen Hall and want to talk to you today about something called renewal rituals. We all get exhausted and sometimes overwhelmed in our busy lives, especially at work. Research tells us just taking short breaks during your very busy day can refresh, restore, and renew your life. Renewal rituals just take a few minutes and they will restore your energy. They will help you focus, increase your productivity at work, and it's just a really great thing to do for your health. Let's talk about a few renewal rituals. First is a short meditation. Just say 1, 2, or 3 words that you love. Even love, peace, nature, the name of your dog, whatever you love that will calm you down. I am strong. I am positive. I am love. Second, you may want to listen to some music. Whether you like hip-hop or whether you like opera, it doesn't matter what you like, jazz, country music. What we know is when you listen to music you love, you release endorphins. And that's a relaxing hormone that really stimulates the body and also relaxes you. Next, just exercise for a few minutes. Do a couple yoga stretches or get up and walk around your building, walk up and down your stairs at work. What we know is exercise refreshes the mind, body, and soul almost immediately. How about eating something delicious? Eat some dried or fresh blueberries. You can keep dried blueberries in your desk. Blueberries are brain food, and they almost immediately give you stimulation and make you think very clear. Blueberries are great for the brain and for energies. You may want to keep a simple banana. It's loaded with B6, which is also great for stress reduction. Maybe some almonds. Omega-3s are great for the brain, great for the heart, and calm you down also. Last but not least, how about laughing? Go online, find a website that you love, and laugh at least once a day. And you know what? If you keep your dog in doggy daycare, that's also a great place. They usually have cameras and you can go online and laugh your head off at your dog at doggy daycare. So these were some renewal rituals, and I hope that you can practice them in your own life and enjoy yourself.